right? So that's another reason. So now let's look at some interesting case studies. I don't know how many of you are aware about this. This is Kogi Korean BBQ taco truck. Looks all Greek. This is a mobile van which goes to various locations. Initially, goes to various locations in Los Angeles and sells something like hot dog. They have a very delicious product, and people wanted to find out where they are because it is a mobile van, and that was a huge challenge this company had, specifically because in US putting a van at a particular location at different times of time, it was not possible, so they had to move. So it was, they cannot define a fixed time for every place. So what could they have used to tell their customers where they are on real time? What social network, what social media they could have used? So while you are guessing, I'll tell you, initially, they had bloggers who shared, their reviews about their product. So they used to have around 2-3 people who used to come initially. That moved from 2 to 3 to 8 people who used to come. Great, Sudhindra. Yes, they used Twitter, as many of you said. They used Twitter to let their people, their customers know where they are. And after they used Twitter, along with blog and Flickr, to share real experiences of their customers, guess how much jump did they see in the number of people who were started to come at a particular location? So earlier they used to get 8 to 10 people who would come to a location. After they used Twitter, how much jump do you expect they would have got? Of course, you can see the Q, which tells that it is a huge number, but still. Okay, Jess George, you say 600%. Okay, 50. Okay, 100 plus. 200%. This is a social media, right? We don't talk about 5, 10, 15%. We either talk a couple of 100% or we talk about total multiple of that. 8 to 800 they were, absolutely. So they got 10 people initially, and after using blog, Flickr, Twitter, they got 800 people who used to come to a location. And this is not a technology company. This is not a large brand. And Twitter made a huge difference in the way people started to share about them. And if you look at the impact, even the business impact, I think probably it would have taken them years and lifetimes to get that much growth if it were not through social media. So that's one very, very interesting example. Coke, Coke of course is present on social media everywhere. But Coke's community on Facebook is very special. It is one of the largest communities on Facebook. But purely from a branding perspective, it has something very unique in it. Can some of you guess what is that thing about this community? And this picture of the video has that element, what I'm talking about. Okay, you say humor. So yeah, the humor, the elements are there, but very, very fundamental. The videos, content, of course, Coke would always have the best of the content. But the way, it's not about just videos loading frequently. The way this community got started, okay, let me give you a direct hint. How did this community got started? I'm yet to get the answer. Okay, let me share. So when Coke thought about building their community on Facebook, they saw there was already a community. And end of the day, the true value of, or the true sense of any community is captured, best in the phrase by the people for the people. Because end of the day, communities belong to the users. So Coke, just embraced that, and they said, instead of we taking over, so they could have started a new community, they could have taken over the existing one after talking to Facebook, but they said, we won't do that. Instead of doing that, the community belongs to you. So the fans who had started this community, they made them celebrities, they acknowledged them, they rewarded them. Since then, Coke is just facilitating this community. It wasn't started by them, it has not been controlled by them. So if you look at that, that's totally unconventional. That doesn't fit into the traditional advertising or marketing or branding mindset where you give the whole control to others. But social media, if you are really looking at building a brand, it's all about having people be part of it. It's all about having them belong to it, because it's not an advertising. It's not about communicating a message. So that's a huge lesson to be learned from a brand like Coke, which is so huge, and typically that size of organization doesn't take 1% of risk like this, but Coke did like that. So that's really phenomenal. Let's go forward. Another example of where this, I'm sure some of you, if you are in Delhi, some of you would know there is a restaurant called Gunpowder Restaurant. It's in Hoska's village. It's a South Indian restaurant, very popular one. And if you go to their Facebook page, what you would see is people are doing table booking real time. Like this person is saying, we want to book a table for dinner for August 14th. So it's almost a year earlier. Saturday for 15 people. I write about social media in Wall Street Journal. I wrote their example, and then I thought, let me visit. I thought it would be a very lavish restaurant at a very good location. It is at a 4-story building at a very corner place, and I went there at 7:30 it was about to open, and 50% of the tables were reserved, and a great percentage of their bookings come through Facebook. So, and they have a dedicated staff who takes booking on Facebook. So interestingly, of course, they are getting their entire a lot of sales happening on Facebook, but the interesting example of be able to take booking on Facebook has further got them a lot of mileage in terms of people talking about them. In our workshops, we've done, if I count, more than 60 of them, and for more than 1,000 people, we would have shared about this example. Similarly, across media, people have covered. So if you can do something, unique, something special, of course, you need to have a great product. Social media really helps you create brands. Social media really helps you spread your brand. So I will, answer some of the questions, guys, which you have been asking here, and of course, we'll have a dedicated Q&A in the end. Right now, this